Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming eligibility and gaining access. Log in with your ID and application number so you can act immediately. This prevents delays. Once signed in, review deadlines and refund or penalty rules so you understand consequences. If you lack login access, request a temporary code or reset your password now. Make sure you use a secure network to protect personal data, because cancellations often require identity verification, and you'll need to proceed without interruption. You now initiate the cancellation, go to Applications, pick the active Gplan entry, and select Cancel. When prompted, choose the precise reason and upload any required documentation. That explains why and speeds processing. Once done, review the system's refund or fee calculation carefully. This is where mistakes occur. If amounts look off, stop and contact support. After you confirm, note the cancellation reference number and expected processing timeline so you can follow up if needed. Finish by verifying completion. Save the cancellation reference, confirmation email, and screenshot of the final page so you have evidence. You should monitor your account or bank for any refund within the portal's stated timeframe and make sure automatic withdrawals stop. If the status remains active or you don't see a refund after the deadline, contact support with your reference and explain the discrepancy. Persistence often speeds resolution. One troubleshooting tip: if automated cancellation fails, request a manual case review and escalate with the reference number.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.